we cover a story where somebody gets naked. Here we go. Boom, boom,
Whoa! It happened again. Someone decided to get naked. It's time for another naked story on the 96.1 Kiss Morning Freak Show with Mikey and Big Bab.
Crazy Italian guy doing our naked story intro there. I absolutely love it. Guy got naked in California. Okaloosa County, a man allegedly took off all his clothes, ran naked outside the Santa Rosa Mall and through surrounding neighborhoods. Witnesses say a man took off all his clothes while he was walking on Oxford Court. He then began to run around the mall parking lot, jumping on light poles, and yelling unintelligible words. All right. When deputies arrived, the man fled to a nearby neighborhood and was found in a ditch, hiding.
Oh.
They won't find you there.
Went to hide and go seek.
With your fleshy body in a ditch, right?
Just a naked man.
Authorities tried to restrain the man, but he kept pulling away. When a deputy tried to ask him questions, he could only respond with a whooping sound. The deputy said he might be under the influence of drugs or alcohol. You think?
A whooping sound.
I don't know. Do you ever want to be naked making a whooping noise in public?
Like whoop?
I don't know if you want to. Actually, you know what? I think I do have a good whooping sound. I don't know if this was the sound, but hold on.
Who's ready for an educational adventure in nature? Some wild animals decided to make sweet love and share their beautiful song with the world. It's time for Animal Mating Noises with Mikey and Bob.
Okay, so there's a guy in California who's naked running around a mall parking lot. He goes to a neighborhood, cops catch him. They think he was on drugs or alcohol, something like that, and he was making a whooping noise. Now, maybe he sounded like the love-making noise of the gibbon. I believe it's a monkey, right? Like a monkey-like animal. A gibbon, it's called. That's definitely what I picture the naked guy on the light pole sounding like right there. Yep.
Sound that alarm.
Yeah. Can you imagine this guy running from police?
My man's got his clothes
with
off.
This, he's on something.
Sounding his naked siren.
We found him in the mall parking lot. He was jumping on light poles, and then he ran in this neighborhood, and all we heard was... we couldn't really track him down. Then all of a sudden, we looked over near a ditch, and we heard... And then we found him. It is a naked person making the show once again.